It is pretty funny. I gotta figure out why that happens. And put 2 portals here, and you can see it kind of works. The weapon just doesn't like to be this size. It's like it doesn't know what to do about itself, and you're gonna like even. Ooh, I can see my hand there. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, baby. Oh, you did it. Yeah. You can sort of juggle it above your hand. If I put a hand through, then it might get a little bit glitchy. Never let them know your next move. Alright, so as you can see, I'm in the game. And I can move around, of course. So let me grab a gun. Oop, right. And let me grab a ball. I can throw the ball, of course. And I can grab a block. Can I do something with the block? Well, not really, but I can hold it with 2 hands. And I can... Oh, okay. I dropped it, but I can throw a block, right? So now let's say I wanna use a bow. So I take a bow, I aim, and I imagine I'm shooting. So let's take an arrow, let's put it in there, let's try to shoot, right? So, oops, I touch my controller. So you kind of look through the arrow, it's kind of funny. I actually did kind of shoot it, so that's cool. I can also shoot from there, you know, from there, and oh, I did that. Okay, and boop. Right, so yeah, you can shoot a bow. Oh, and this bow actually has a power meter, so if I had an arrow, I don't have an arrow, so whatever. It shows how much power you're using. So now let's take a gun. Okay. You see, it doesn't work, right? So it's like, yeah, of course it doesn't work. Well, there's no magazine. So my hand is inside of there. So let me take a magazine and just like whoop, squeeze it in there. Bam. Now, of course, it still doesn't work. Why? Well, oops, I ejected the magazine. Well, it doesn't work because now now I have to load, right? So I'm loading it. You can see even like it goes in there, right? Now, if I do it again, I'm gonna lose the ammo somewhere on the ground. I don't know. So yeah, but now I can shoot. So I can either shoot with my... this is too thick, so I can't even see. Which one is laser? So the laser, I can do it. I can also shoot a box. Right. So now there is a slow-mo right now. And now I can even like... Oh, what's up? Crazy slow in the slow-mo. Maybe like that.
2,000 years later.
Shoots little guys. No, oh my god, the game is so loud. Okay. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Okay. You can see like a little vehicle. Yeah, just you can control it. I don't know. It's kind of nice. It feels pretty good. You can steer. That's a random button. It doesn't do anything. So yeah, now let me. Ouch. I think I have it set up so that my ass is triggering the launch. Okay, let me take the shotgun. Boop. Right. I can put like ammo in here. Boop. Right. Now of course it doesn't have ammo, so I gotta take it. Gotta load it. Right, cool stuff. Now, maybe I could take like this thing, and then we can find a weapon. Whoop. Gotta work on that. Okay, so yeah, I can load it as right. Oop. Actually, I get clicked now, so yeah. Okay, I didn't. Damn. So now this is running all in a headset. So I'm pretty impressed with the overall quality and physics. This is cool. It's like a backpack. This yellow one just doesn't like to work for that. I don't know. I have to check the settings. But yeah, the other things work very well. So this is like a backpack. You can imagine you put it behind your back and it disappears, and then you grab it from there, and then you can have a inventory. You can put whatever you want in there. You can even draw like this. One thing though that it doesn't do is it doesn't stick to the object. Maybe at some point I will fix it. And yeah, you can even have like a melee weapon, right? Like, stabby stab, right? Now I would like this to go inside, but that doesn't work with this. I can show it with another knife there. Yeah, so there's like weird things like grappling. Grappling kind of, but I don't know, man. It's just weird. Not my jam. You can also like fly, like whatever. I'm not interested in that actually. Now what I am interested in is the portal. So now let me just show you what it can do. I don't like how the car is making those noises. Can I reset? Oh, well, the car is sort of going into outer space. Strange, but I will allow it. So you can see there's already portals there, and there's something flying up there. That's kind of cool. I'm gonna make a new portal here and here. You can see the ball just went through it. See, like, things are falling through. Also, I do see like things get resized. I don't know why that happens. It is pretty funny. I gotta figure out why that happens. Not sure. Not sure. There's nothing in the code that would do that, so, but maybe. I mean, portals definitely can resize things. I think it's just a matter of some variable duplicating somewhere. The size, yeah. Oh, cool, actually. Kind of cool. So yeah, you could even have like portals which actually resize, so that's cool. Like, you could imagine there's like special portal that's resizing things. I don't know. Yeah, one thing that I do want to show you, and I'm just going to use my own like teleport. Yeah, the weapon just doesn't like to be this size. It's like it doesn't know what to do about itself when it's this big. And yeah, and put two portals here, and you can see it kind of works. There's some little bit of like artifacts that I can see like through it. That's something that I will have to fix. But generally, it just kind of works, and I can actually like walk through it, right? I think that's kind of fun, and you can like even ooh. I can see my hand there, you know, so that's cool. Now the portals are pretty heavy on performance, so you can see them when I'm doing things like this. It's kind of lagging a little bit, but that could be solved with optimization, you know. It's as Carl sure enough here, he always says, you know, 2 papers down the line, it's going to be optimized, so 2 more iterations down the line, it's going to be optimized. And yeah, it's like it works pretty darn well. Like, it's not perfect, but it's pretty darn close to perfect. And for me, that would be enough already. We can even add like a little bit of tint on it. After all, it's a portal. It's like warping time and space, you know. So yeah, and collision. Normally they don't work, but if you make a fist, you actually have a hand now, so you can do right. You just like push things. And that's that. Something that I love is this. So this uses a haptic feedback for turning, and it just feels really good. It's like vibrating my hand, and it just feels good. And yeah, you can even like click these things, right? You know, basic stuff, but it's great that we can do things like that. We get a wheel, and we can spin around. And oh yeah, this one returns to the like back to the yeah, and then you can spin this one doesn't return. This one's kind of nice as well. We get these balls which you can kind of like grab. You can even like I don't know how I did it. Yeah, you can like sort of juggle it above your hand. I don't know, it's pretty funny. It's kind of a bug, but actually I kind of like it that you can spin it as long as you spin your controller. And then, yeah, of course you can grab it. So, yeah, I think this is the best way how to grab things. You just kind of fling them and then try to grab them. Some works need to be done on that, but overall I'm pretty happy with it. Damn, that went very far. Now, changing the model of the hands is very easy. Just put a different model, right? So now I have different model. You can do this one, you can do this one. You can do even like the controllers, right? No, they are not animated, but you know, that's just trivial stuff to do later. Now, what is cool is also there is a inverse kinematic body. So if I wanted to have a body, I could. I personally don't like that. I just like hands by themselves. I think that's just more convenient. But yeah, could do it. So then we have okay, I'm on the table. yeah, we have this like DNA thing, so you can definitely like grab things, and maybe you could just position them. So yeah, I don't know why you would use this, but you could. Just something to keep in mind that you can do this. Let me think. So yeah, we get something like that. That's kind of cute. And then we have this knife, which it was fun. You could like put it here and do like, yeah, actually kind of works. Okay, I have to figure out why it doesn't work anymore. But yeah, it kind of works, right? Now you could even like grab this and try to stick it into that one. Ladder, and you can hold it, and yeah, that's a ladder. You can hold a ladder. I don't know why you would do that, but I think you can actually. Oh yeah. Okay, well that's kind of nauseating, but yeah, you can climb the middle ones, but you can hold the sidebars. So I don't know. That is something to think about. Now we have a few doors that you can press. So there's a sliding door. Sliding door works really well. It's not glitchy at all, and we get the door with the handle. So just open that. And yeah, the door with the handle has some funky stuff going on. I don't know why. It's like I think when you hit yourself with it just doesn't know what to do. Yeah, since the body has a collider, it's like a little bit spicy. Something to solve, you know. But yeah, it's overall already kind of working. And oh yeah, we got this, like cabinets, so exploration, right? That's always fun. I think you can explore, you can open stuff. We get even melee weapons. Now, I don't like melee weapons in VR. They just don't feel heavy enough. So you can just like swing them like this, right? Just like, it's weird. You can grab it with two hands and then it just glitches out. Again, I don't know why. I think I just set up like a wrong point on there. But yeah, you can definitely like use it with one hand. I think one-handed things are the best. It's pretty nice, huh? It's basically like duplicating the object with an arrow. And stick the bow as well. And yeah, you can see like there's maximum. I guess maximum is 65 right now. Alright, I guess that went through. Yeah, I have a few destruction packages. This one is sort of made in Blender, but I have one which you can actually like cut things into pieces and then enable them later. Like it's called Rayfire for Unity. Yeah, it doesn't work. I want to break it. Yeah, if you want to type something, and then I guess this is the best way to do it. It's a virtual keyboard. It's just basic stuff. You have a button that disables the keyboard because I'm not clicked on the box anymore. If I click on it, it's gonna appear again. I can click on something else. And yeah, you can do like sliders, you see. And oh yeah, you can even like aim and click and things, right? So you can see like yeah, it's like poof. So if I aim it, it's blue. If I click on it, it's yellow. So one thing that's fun always in VR, by the way, this is the hammer. Whoop. Yeah, something that's always fun is just like climbing. So yeah, you can see I am climbing. I am climbing. So yeah, and then I can grab this and I can ride. Wow, okay. Well, let's try if it works. Right? Yeah, it does work actually. I think I'm gonna be very sick after this, but okay, I can grab it. Put it there. So yeah, I can actually like ride on this. I can even grab it with both hands. Ooh, I'm right in. Okay, here I can feel like King Kong. I'm on top of the world. Whew. This is pretty wild. Ooh. Bonk. Yeah. Yeah, this is the infinite gun again. What is fun about infinite guns is you can actually make infinite guns. If I put a hand through, then it might get a little bit glitchy. Also, it seems like this thing is not properly ignoring collisions, but yeah, it kind of works. It kind of works. Oops, I gotta shove it like this. Yes.